Green bean thoran, a delicious dry vegetable dish from the Kerala region. 500 grams of long beans. You can use any other type of green beans for this recipe. Cut into 2 centimeter lengths. Traditionally, the beans will be more finely cut. I actually prefer them this way, and set them aside. 200 grams of fresh coconut, half a teaspoon of turmeric, green chilies finely chopped. Grind these together. Do not, and I repeat, do not turn them into a paste. The amount of chilies used is down to your own personal taste. 1 small red onion or 3 shallots finely chopped. Pan over medium-high heat, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, allow this to heat up. A teaspoon of black mustard seed, and allow these to splutter for a good 30 seconds to a minute before adding the chopped onions. Fry for 2 minutes, add a sprig of curry leaves, continue to fry, stirring all the time until the onions start to go brown on the edges. Add the cut green beans and continue to fry for 2 to 3 minutes. Thoroughly mix in the ground coconut turmeric chili mixture, reduce the heat to low, cover and cook for 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally. I'd like to thank the owners of the Rose Gardens homestay in Munnar who kindly passed on this recipe when we stayed there this year. Remove the cover, fry uncovered for a minute or 2 to allow any excess moisture to evaporate. It is ready to serve. Green bean thoran, a very simple vegetarian dish that can be eaten on its own with rice or as a side dish with other Indian dishes.